Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a digital seller account on Etsy, particularly on the mobile phone. Now, a lot of people have this misconception that you need to do this separately, but the reality is, once you create your Etsy account, that'll automatically give you the account on your phone as well. So first and foremost, go ahead and search Etsy, of course. Now there's a bunch of platforms here that are connected to Etsy, okay? Good ones as well, but ultimately, if you want to, provision this one with your phone, just click this one, Ecwid. Because Ecwid actually has this option to connect the phone. Now Ecwid has these options right here because depending on the platforms that are related to the Etsy, they have a bunch of differences, well, minute differences, but that really is a big thing when it comes to familiarizing. So like orders, we have payments, shipping. Now when I do tutorial videos, I also teach guys the clickables here, and also the right way to provision the account, because we don't want to get lost now, do we? We have a shop app. Now when you're starting off as a beginner in the e-commerce community, I highly recommend Ecwid on Etsy, basically. So that's just it. This is a partner platform. Yes, it's resources, health centers right here. You could contact them. Ecwid Academy demo. It started for free. Click login. So we're now commencing the process of creating the account itself. Now, in here you can connect your Facebook, you could connect with Apple, and yeah, basically it. So since we don't have an account, click here. Now input your store name here. It's really important to have a store name that is really catchy, because that'll help you out a lot in the long run. And also the email address as well, since we are talking about digital here, which means we are able to connect our phone, of course. So the most important thing here is put the email address and your password. This isn't the password of your email address, although it's going to be asking you to verify, but this isn't it. It's a password for the account itself. So we're just going to authorize it here. It's going to be, since my computer here is asking for my password, it's not the platform itself. Okay. Blur this out for security purposes, of course, privacy. And it's going to be suggesting a password, but we're going to create our own password here so that we won't get lost all the way. Just click next. Let's just wait for it to load a little bit here. It's doing its magic once it's doing it. Here we go. And yeah, that's basically it. Boom, you already have your account here. Now when we talk about phone, of course, you're going to be needing to answer this to provision your account or to register. So same thing as the phone. So once you're done with this, you already provision your phone as well. So which city you're in, put your city here, and you also need to put the state that you're in and the zip code. So that's basically the company address and where we're going to be shipping stuff. But a lot of guys especially from the rural areas. They have their warehouses on the urban side of the country, so they put basically alternate locations here. Next, now you're going to be answering a bunch of questions here, but ultimately, yes, be honest, basically. So it's going to be asking you, do you already have experience selling? Just be honest, because you don't want to. It's like applying for a job. You don't really want to like lie in your resume, right? That's it. So, are you setting up a store for someone else? Well, since I'm doing this for you guys, I'm just going to say no in order for to save us from extracurricular. That's just it. You get the idea. Just click next, and that's it. Once you click next, you'll be prompted to you already have a website, because they're going to be, if not, they're going to be creating a website for you. And that's the beautiful thing about this platform, is that it does the work for you. So what more could you ask for? That's basically it. So no worries, just choose an address for your website. So I'm going to be creating a website right now as I'm speaking. So this is really a raw tutorial right here off the bat. Once you're done, click next, and your website is done. Boom. Click this one, the one that has the $0 in it. Because why not? It's free, right? Doesn't really matter if you pay or not. You can still sell if you want to. Now inside Equid, you're going to have a lot of volunteer clickables here, but it's really simple compared to other platforms, because look how many of this is, less than 20 options here. But you could connect Facebook ads, okay, discount coupons. Very, very helpful to have all these things, basically. And this is basically it for the provisioning of your account. Since we've already provisioned your phone, the digital is already provisioned as well, because we have set it up our email, which is connected. Okay, so website, design. You could customize things here as well, like prompts. Now here goes the mobile. It's already connected. When it shows you that double icon right there, that's when you know that it's already done. So I certainly hope this video is of any help for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.